Sebastian, love. Yeah, I'm coming. Give it to me.
Giving your brother a kiss?
I mean, want to give Sebastian a kiss?
Oh.
You want to give mommy a kiss? Okay, come. You want to give mommy a kiss? Thank you. Thank you. Can I get a kiss too? Can I get a kiss, Sebastian? No kiss?
I guess that's it. What you doing there, little man? Hey, buddy boy. Can you wave? Hey, little girl. Is that light too bright, huh? Huh? Cuties. Sebastian. How big are you? So big. Amelia, how big are you? So big. You can go walking, huh, little man? You can go for a walk? Huh? Hey, little girl. Here, we'll stop this. Kiss? Give Amelia a kiss. Mwah. Give Sebastian a kiss, Amelia. Give Sebastian a kiss. No more kisses?
Oh, this is good. Oh,
Blow me a kiss. Mwah. 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 All right, give Sebastian a kiss. Kiss. Oh, give Sebastian a kiss. Give Sebastian a kiss. Oh, you can give the camera a kiss, huh? Hi, cutie. Mwah.
oh, you're shining right into her eye.
You guys crack me up, huh? How big is Amelia? How big is Amelia? How big is Amelia? So big. Amelia, give Sebastian a kiss. So big. How big is Sebastian? No?
Look over there.
Amelia, give Sebastian a kiss. Give Sebastian a kiss. Mwah. 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 Give him a kiss. Oh.